So the most common mistakes people make when they're starting to compost is not paying attention to moisture levels. You can either veer into too wet or to too dry. An easy way to correct too wet is you have a source of dry carbon nearby. You add that in until the moisture level is damp like a sponge but not dripping wet. The other thing that can happen is you want to have air getting into your compost if it's an aerobic system. With not enough air, the system will go anaerobic. What that means, it's a fancy term for not enough oxygen. Basically what happens is it'll start to collapse, get wet and slimy, you'll have putrefying smells. You can easily avoid all of that by basically adding a bit of fluffy carbon, wood shavings, something that bulks it up and lets the air get into the mix. So the air penetrates through and that'll drive a successful sweet smelling compost. So if you live in an urban area, oftentimes there are rodents that are sort of pre-savvy about knowing there's food waste around and attacking your system. So ideally in a situation where you know there's rodents around, you want to have something that's off the ground. So in that case, tumblers are the ideal system for you. Make sure it's not sitting under a tree so the rodents can drop down from the tree. But otherwise, a lot of people have been very happy with that as a solution to avoid rodents.